So this is a site that can give us some good learning about forage species, especially in drylands. And this is a farmer who is trying to grow pastures fodder. What you are seeing here is this is super napier grass, doing very well, but requires a lot of water. So the farmer says it's stressful because you have to irrigate it frequently. And the farmer, we have just engaged him because we can see other species that are naturally growing. This is panicum that he didn't plant, but is growing here. And he says panicum is also good because it has good biomass and it also has some slight better tolerance to drier conditions than the super napier. So when the drought increase or water deficits, then this picks up and dies last after super. But also we are seeing Sencras ciliaris here, which he says is basically natural grass here, which is the last to disappear from this system. That is, it grows more naturally and it stays longer when drier conditions happen, even though productivity is not as good in terms of biomass compared to, of course, super napier when water is available. And that is just what the farmer has explained. But the second species, third that we've seen in the farm is Panicum maximum. He says this is the second to super napier in terms of biomass production. It is better in terms of also withstanding the drier conditions compared to super, but comes lesser. This is Sencras is more tolerant to dry conditions than this Panicum maximum. But though Panicum maximum has slightly higher biomass because of the height and also the seeds is a high yielding cedar compared to this Sencras ciliaris. So this is just basically a simple way that farmers can easily evaluate what they want growing and what they are growing and make a decision on what wants to expand. So super napier is something, but really big problem when it comes to, of course, planting material as well as drought tolerance. This is saying this is more promisable, especially if it's in large scale with water. This is very good in natural grazing fields and if it can be maintained. It's also good, produces good seeds. And the good thing is also doing is engaging and improving the, of course, feed with fodder tree that is Lucina. That also blends in the issues of protein support to his particular farm. So the farmer keeps camels, he keeps goat lactating for milk as well as camel, and he's supplementing them for feed. And this is he's trying to look at which species can he be advised to promote, of course, expand, and he needs the support to be able to increase his livestock enterprise by use of technologies for irrigation and of course also technically on how to utilize the feed for supplement. And as you can see here, yes, water is one of the major challenges. Yeah, so he's looking forward to learning and getting technologies that can really help him improve the farm. He's a 50-hectare farm that he has started farming on investment with water supply from the borehole, and he needs support to get the technical know-how and some help with infrastructure development to be able to make it as a model farm for, of course, pasture, feed, and livestock. And those land is big, is preparing land for other forage materials. There you can see that is super napier, but water is one of the main challenges that is really facing within this farm unit.